How can I avoid HVAC repair scams? You can avoid most of them by checking the company, getting written estimates, and never approving surprise work on the spot. The safest way to handle a heating, ventilation, and air conditioning repair is to slow down before you say yes. A scam often starts when someone says your system is in danger and needs a big fix right now, even when the problem may be small. Always ask for the company name, the technician name, and a written quote that lists the parts, labor, and any extra fees. A trustworthy worker should be able to explain the problem in simple words without rushing you. It helps to compare at least two opinions if the repair is expensive, because the same issue can sometimes be fixed in more than one way. One thing many people do not know is that some scammers use tiny, easy-to-replace parts as a reason to charge for a full system problem, so asking for the old part back can help keep things honest. You should also check whether the unit was really serviced before, because a dirty filter, blocked drain, or loose wire can look serious but be very cheap to fix. If anything feels pressured, confusing, or secretive, pause and call someone else. A very common mistake is agreeing to the first price without asking what it includes, so always ask what part failed and why it costs that much. Another mistake is paying cash with no receipt, because that makes it hard to prove what was promised, so use a payment method that leaves a record. People also forget to check reviews and licenses, but a quick search can show whether others had the same problem, so look for a real business history and a working phone number. Be careful with big claims like a full system replacement when the repair sounds simple, and ask for proof such as photos or a diagnostic test. If a technician will not explain the issue in plain language, that is a strong sign to stop and get another opinion. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.